We are taking a closer look into automating some routine technical prepress steps. When you set the procedure once, you don't have to repeat it for every order. The general idea is to pass a custom design to the prepared template of the print file. The system unwraps 3D objects into the flat bitmap files and injects them into the PDF output that you can instantly print. Let's see what we can do for printing on parcel boxes. Your workspace has 3 components to ensure that jobs come through: service, a cart, and an ordering application. Service maintains products. The cart is used for the order collection and confirmation. Ordering application provides an interface to apply a custom design to the product. You can also have a landing page with a description of your products where customers can select products and initiate their orders. You can learn about the landing page in the corresponding video. There is a link in the description. The product settings in the service allow you to define how you display your product and the output file for printing. We use 3D models to show products in the browser. So you work on your design as if on the real object. Custom design goes onto the model and then gets unwrapped to become a flat image. The unwrapping of the 3D model fits precisely into the output PDF file created by the system to conform to your printer. We keep the 3D model creation process out of the scope of this tutorial. There is another video that explains how to do it. On the 3D model of the product, we have an area that we call a slot where one can apply custom images and texts. In the slot, you adjust the size and position of the future design on the model. The next step is to set the printing size of the output image file and its extension. You can pick one of the 3 file formats depending on your needs. The system supports transparency channels for PNG and TIFF files. Your print size ratio must be the same as the slot area if you want to print the whole slot. The gray area represents the unwrapped slot. You better cover it entirely without overlapping. Otherwise, you can lose part of the image. Now we will create the output PDF file which you send to your printer. You can prepare an empty PDF template in Adobe InDesign or a similar program with all necessary printing settings such as markings and color settings. When the template is ready, upload it to the corresponding area of the product settings. The system will inject the bitmap file defined in the previous step into the PDF template that we just uploaded. As the last step, we will position the output bitmap image in the PDF template. Go to the PDF output section, select the print slot and adjust its position on your PDF template. We are done with prepress settings automation. Any order your workspace will receive for this product will go through the steps we configured. The system will create a ready-to-print PDF file with a custom design positioned on the product according to the client's wish. The product is ready to be ordered, but I want to show how to add other components that I mentioned above to ensure the incoming orders workflow. I will delete those that we have already and create them from scratch. We want to add the ordering application and a cart. Click on the Add Application button and select 3D Editor. It will be the ordering interface. Add another application and create a cart. Use a simple delivery option as a first step. You can configure many sophisticated delivery options later. There is a video on how to set up your delivery options. We now have our service, an ordering interface, and a shopping cart. We must connect these 3 components into one workflow. We should connect the ordering interface to your print service and cart. Open the ordering application. Select cart. Select service. Everything is connected. You are ready to receive your orders. Open your ordering application and start a new order. I am sure you understand that you can build any composition here. Now that we have placed an image and text on the box, we can confirm our order. When the order is confirmed, it appears in the Orders section of the dashboard. You can review, inspect, and download the received order from your workspace dashboard. You can see who's ordering and how to deliver the finished product in the review. You will get more information about the order when you press the Activity button. Use the Inspect mode to check what your customer did while placing the order. To download the order, click on the corresponding icon, and the system will create a zip file. Download the file, unzip it and print it. Bear in mind that it is more convenient to download orders to your computer using the D2S Hefist agent. Please find a link in the video description to learn more about it.